Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best desk fans that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Magnetic Cruise Fan by Fan Opera. This fan stands out with its unique magnetic mount design, which securely attaches to metal surfaces like cruise cabin ceilings or walls. This space-saving feature makes it perfect for travelers, especially on cruise ships where space can be limited. It comes with a powerful 12,000 mAh battery that delivers up to 40 hours of runtime on low speed, ensuring you stay cool throughout your trip. Plus, it doubles as a power bank to charge your devices, an excellent feature for those who need extra power on the go. The design is compact and travel-friendly, with a sleek white finish that complements any environment. The 3-speed airflow settings and 360 degrees adjustable head allow for customized cooling, and the built-in LED light offers both a nightlight mode and a brighter task light, perfect for reading or navigating in dim conditions. However, the air circulation capacity of 100 CFM might not be enough for larger spaces, and its price isn't disclosed, which could make budgeting a challenge. The Magnetic Cruise Fan excels in portability, ideal for cruise travelers and small space enthusiasts. However, its lower airflow output and niche design might limit its appeal for general home or office use. If you're planning a cruise or need a fan for travel, this might be your perfect companion. Coming in at number 4 is the Yoshenmo Turbo Table Fan. This fan takes customization to the next level with its 100 adjustable speeds and smart memory function, allowing you to dial in the exact airflow you need. The digital display is easy to read, even in low light, and the ultra-quiet operation, less than 35 decibels, makes it perfect for bedrooms or workspaces where silence is golden. It features a rechargeable 4,000 mAh battery, providing up to 9.5 hours of runtime, and supports wireless use, which adds versatility for outdoor activities or areas without outlets. The fan's design is sleek and modern, with a compact 7.5-inch frame and a 105-degree adjustable tilt for targeted airflow. Its wall-mounted capability is a thoughtful addition, making it suitable for kitchens, bathrooms, or offices where counter space is limited. However, the fan's build quality feels slightly less robust compared to competitors, and its relatively low customer rating of 4.4 stars suggests room for improvement in durability. Overall, the Yoshenmo Turbo Table Fan is an excellent choice for those who value precision and quiet operation. Its customizable speeds and wall mount design make it versatile, but the potential trade-offs in build quality are worth considering before purchasing. At number 3, we have the Tabletop USB Desk Fan. This compact and lightweight fan weighs less than 8 ounces and is perfect for those who need portability without compromising performance. Its classic design and vibrant blue color make it visually appealing, and its USB-powered compatibility adds convenience, allowing you to power it using your laptop, power bank, or even a car charger. With 3 speed settings and a vertical rotation angle of 0 to 30 degrees. This fan delivers personalized cooling that's ideal for desks, bedrooms, or even travel. The Tabletop Desk Fan operates quietly at under 50 decibels, making it suitable for workspaces or bedrooms where noise can be disruptive. However, its airflow capacity and blade size, 4.4 inches, are smaller compared to larger fans, so it's best suited for personal use rather than cooling larger spaces. Additionally, the build quality feels a bit more basic, which might affect its long-term durability. If you're looking for a compact, energy-efficient fan that's easy to carry and set up, the Tabletop USB Desk Fan is a great choice. It's perfect for students, travelers, or anyone who needs a reliable solution for personal cooling. At number 2, we have the Honeywell HT904 TurboForce Tabletop Air Circulator Fan. This fan delivers powerful cooling with its aerodynamic turbo design, pushing airflow up to 25 feet away. Its compact size and lightweight build make it versatile for use on desks, countertops, or even wall-mounted setups. With 3 speed settings and a 90-degree pivoting head, It's easy to customize the airflow direction and intensity to suit your needs. The HT904 is quieter than many competitors, operating at just 25 decibels, making it ideal for bedrooms, offices, or shared spaces. The white finish gives it a clean, modern look that blends seamlessly into most environments. While it's a reliable performer, its airflow capacity of 185 CFM is comparable to its sibling product, the HT900, which raises questions about whether the premium option offers significant advantages. If you're seeking a quiet and effective fan for small to medium-sized rooms, the Honeywell HT904 is a strong contender. However, given its similarities to the HT900, it's worth considering the value of its features relative to its identical price point. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Honeywell TurboForce Fan HT900. This fan combines compact design with powerful performance, offering an impressive airflow capacity of 185 CFM that can be felt up to 27 feet away. Its aerodynamic turbo design maximizes air movement, making it suitable for small to medium-sized rooms. The HT900 features 3 speed settings and a 90-degree pivoting head for customizable cooling. Whether you're at your desk, in your bedroom, or using it as a wall-mounted option, build quality is a strong point here, with a durable plastic construction and a sleek black finish that complements modern interiors. Despite its high performance, the fan operates quietly at just 0.1 decibel, making it perfect for environments where noise is a concern. At $16.89, the HT900 offers exceptional value for its features, making it an ideal choice for budget-conscious consumers who don't want to compromise on quality. The Honeywell HT900 is the ultimate all-rounder. It's affordable, powerful, and versatile, earning its place as the best desk fan in this lineup. Whether you're looking to boost airflow at home or save on energy costs, this fan is a top-notch choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.